Hi friends, today we are going to see about the externalities. So externalities is the main section in the 8th chapter because 8th chapter is mostly regarding the market economy. So externalities are not considered by the market economy. That's why in our syllabus externalities are explained in a deep manner. So we'll see. What's externalities? Whenever a consumption or production activity happens, the third party who is not directly involved into that particular economic activity is going to be benefited or going to bear a cost. That's known as externalities. So in simple terms, if I explain, whenever I'm doing something, another person, a third party is going to be affected. Either that person is going to be benefited or that person will have to face some costs. That's known as externalities. So externalities are derived from, are happening from the production or the consumption. If that particular externality from the production is favorable to the third person, that's known as positive externalities of production. If that externality found for the third party is negative, is unfavorable, that's known as negative externalities of production. And that's how the same happens for the consumption, positive and negative externalities from the consumption. Alright. So before we see about the all four, we have to know these particular equations. So these equations are formed by this concept only. We see that a society is considered of, consists of producer or consumer plus the third party. That's how these equations are derived. So the social cost is equal to the private cost, which is the cost borne by the producer or the consumer plus the third party cost, which is the external cost. So we say as MSC is equal to MPC, marginal private cost plus marginal external cost. That's how in letters, abbreviated letters, we could say. And if you see the social benefit is equal to the private benefit, which are the benefits borne by the producer or the consumer plus the external benefits, which are the benefits borne by the third party. So this how the equations we have to know about the externalities. Now we are going to see about the positive externalities of production. Before we are drawing about the externalities, we have to know that the supply curve represents the production and the consumption is represented by the demand curve. Now here it is about the production. What we consider is that as it's all about the production, there is no any external benefits. So as there are no any external benefits, social benefits are going to be the private benefits. So the demand curve is constant. And there will be two cost curve representing the social cost curve and the marginal private cost curve. So here in the positive externalities of production, the first curve is marginal private cost. Alright. And the second curve is marginal social cost. So there are going to be two production points where first of all we have to know, what we have to know is that the social optimum level, at which level the socially favorable production level has to happen. That is where marginal social cost is equal to marginal social benefit. That is the point where socially optimum production has to happen. So this is the point where marginal social cost is equal to marginal social benefit. So Q0 is going to be the level where actually the production has to happen, and that is the socially preferable price. This is the price, socially optimum price. But as the market economies are profit motivated, they do their production where marginal private benefit is equal to marginal private cost, which is here. And that's where the actual market price is determined, and that's where Q1, the actual production happens. So, as it is market economy, the producers are going to consider only the private cost and the private benefits. They won't consider the social cost, including the social cost and social benefit, including the external effects, the neighborhood effect. So what we consider here is that there is going to be an underproduction. Alright, there is going to be an underproduction in the positive externalities of production. So if they ask the question, what we have to do is that first of all we have to draw this particular graph and write a small description saying that here the marginal social cost is less than the marginal private cost. So at that moment what happens is that the marginal social benefit is equal to marginal social cost. At that moment only the social preferable production has to happen, but it actually happens where marginal private cost is equal to marginal private benefit. So there is going to be a underproduction. Alright. So it says that the beehive and forestation are examples for positive externalities of production. So which means beehive and forestation are happening in an underproduced level. Alright. Now we are going to see about the negative externalities of production. So in the graph of negative externalities of production, the first curve is as said before, MPP is going to be equal to MSB and its constant, which is the demand curve. So the first curve is going to be the marginal social cost curve. And the second curve is going to be the marginal private cost curve. So as we said before, at the point where MSC is equal to MSB is where the socially optimum level, which is socially favorable, at that point only production should happen. So here Q naught is here and the social optimum price is here. This is where actually production should happen. But in the market economy, as the producers are profit motivated, they only consider the private cost and the private benefit. So at that moment, private cost is being here, alright, and the private benefit is here, and this is the price they are gonna decide, market price, and this is the actual level where the production is happening. So here what happens is that the production level socially favorable is being less than where the actual production happens. So there is an overproduction. Overproduction is happening at the point of negative externalities of production. So we should, whenever the question is asked, draw this graph and mark all the particular details and write below that the private cost is being less than the social cost. At that moment the private market price is also determined less than the social preferable price, and there is an overproduction. That's what we have to write. An example we could write is that the alcohol production. If you see alcohol production as negative externalities of production, it's happening in an overproduced manner. Now we are going to see about the positive externalities in the consumption. So here, as we said before, consumption is shown by the demand curves. Therefore, the supply curve, which is the cost curves, are going to be considered. As it is all about the consumption, we consider that there is no external costs. Therefore, MSC, marginal social cost, is going to be equal to the private cost. Alright. So here in the positive externalities of consumption, I'll just say an easy way to find out quickly. So whenever it is positive externalities, there's going to be underproduction. Whenever it is negative externalities, whether it is of consumption or maybe production, if it is about consumption here, the positive externalities of consumption, there is going to be underconsumption. If it is negative externalities of consumption, there is going to be overconsumption. So here what we have to know is that this is which is going to show the underconsumption or overconsumption. So here as it is about positive externalities of consumption, there is going to be underconsumption. So we'll first mark the easy way, as we will mark, it's going to be underconsumption. Okay, first of all itself we'll mark there's going to be underconsumption. So if it's going to be underconsumption, we have to know that this is Q naught, which is the social preferable production level, and this is going to be Q1, where actually at the society they are consuming. So by this we can mark where the other details. Okay. So the first particular is that wherever the social preferable manner, MSC is going to be MSB, social benefit. So here this is the social preferable level. So this curve is going to be marginal social benefit, and so therefore this is going to be marginal private benefit. So here this is where actually the social preferable level has to be there, but this is where actually the market is consuming. So with this we can say this is the entire thing which shows the positive externals of consumption. So this is the easy way to not to get confused before we mark the particulars. Alright, so example we could say vaccination. So if we say vaccination, how we could say whenever people have to consume a lot of vaccination for the safety of themselves and their surroundings, but they are not consuming up to the standard level. Therefore, that's an underconsumption of vaccination. Now we are going to see about the negative externalities of consumption. So as said before, we have the supply curve, the cost curve, which is constant. MSC is equal to MPC. So the easy method, as I said before in the previous positive externalities of consumption, in the negative externalities of consumption, what's going to happen? Definitely, there's going to be overconsumption. So we'll first know that there's going to be overconsumption. So if it's overconsumption, we have to know what is the social preferable production quantity and the market quantity. So here as it is what's going to happen, the social quantity is going to be less than, the social preferable quantity is going to be less than the market at the real level where the market is producing. So Q1 is going to be more than Q0. So with that with this detail we can mark the other particulars also. So here Q0 is here. So this is where actually the social preferable level, production level has to be determined. So MSC is going to be M equal to MSB. So this is the social benefit graph curve, and this is where actually the market is consuming, which is marginal private benefit, because they consider, the consumers, market economic consumers will only consider the private cost and the private benefits. So here this is where the market and the social levels are determined. Alright. So what we have to do, draw this graph and write a description that here the marginal private benefit is, marginal social benefit is less than the marginal private benefit. Therefore there is an overconsumption happening. So for example we could say smoking. So smoking, what's happening? The social preferable level is somewhere below the market, actually where the market consumers are consuming. So that's why there is an overconsumption of smoking in the market economy. So this is how the externalities work. Just get to know that all these externalities of negative and positive of both the consumption production, know their graphs, know to write the descriptions below with the examples. We can get a good, we can score a good decent marks in this particular section. Thank you.